I love this bird so much. Every morning, he always come and take his bath in the water I give to them to drink. I put this water for them to drink. So because one time I was up, they always come to drink the water I put in the plant. So and I decide to be putting water there for the birds to come, and whenever they are tasting, they come. But this bird, I don't know the name, always come to drink and also take his bath. It's very funny. So also the pigeon. So I love it because when I was in Africa, my father had this tree. I never remember his name. So birds and butterfly, any kind of butterfly, any kind of bird, always come to. It's like the fruits that is coming from that tree. He always they came there to eat it, and you can see different kind of butterfly, different kind of you know, always there. And I grow with it, so that is why I like so much Alamas. And there was different kind of butterfly, different kind of color you can imagine that you can't even imagine that is existing, and different kind of bags always there. So it was lovely.